Working with our customers, we want to make sure that we can provide great patient care for many years. And that's why we participate with 90% of insurance plans out there, and that ranges between many different states. So sometimes jobs changes, life changes, but we want to make sure that our patient stays with us. So we help patients with providing great treatment plan explanation. We want to make sure they understand the treatment. And at the same time, we try to work with them in terms of financial responsibility, breaking it down. We try to provide them with different payment options. Try to make sure to meet their needs, whether it's financial understanding or patient care.